In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the green screen scan filter on TikTok. Okay, so once you've loaded up TikTok, what you want to do is go ahead and tap on that little plus icon in the middle of the screen to take a new TikTok. Then you'll be on the record page, and then you want to tap on the effects button there at the bottom left. And you can see underneath the trending filters, you can see that little man with the green background. Tap on that. This is the green screen effect, and then you can see your camera roll at the top there. What you want to do is select a photo. So you can go ahead and select any photo you want, tap on it again, and you can do any photo that you would like. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one right here, and then all I need to do is tap on the record button. And that's basically how it works. That little scanner comes down and then you have the picture you selected in the background. So that is how you get the green screen scan filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.